From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the US dollar Japanese yen pair. On the weekly time frame, you can see that we have rallied pretty nicely. But having said that, I think that 135 could be support, 130 could be support. You know, when you look at this chart, this is the epitome of parabolic. I mean, quite frankly, even if you just take this surge here, a 50% pullback is like 127. I mean, that sounds outrageous. Or maybe it's 127.50. I missed that wick here. That's here. That sounds outrageous, but that's a normal pullback. This is a runaway market. The problem you have now isn't necessarily the direction you should be trading. It's the fact that the risk to reward becomes worse as this continues. When you look at the monthly chart, I mean, wow. I mean, I suppose if you looked at this as a head and shoulders, you're looking at 175, but that doesn't mean you can't drop 500 pips in the meantime. So I think this is more or less going to be a situation where you're looking for value on a significant sell-off. You know, what I'd like to see is some type of major breakdown, maybe a hammer on the weekly. Then I'll probably jump down to the daily chart to get entries. But until then, really you can't sell it. Or really, it's not until the Bank of Japan changes its quantitative easing, and I just don't see that happening.